So what do you guys think about these lenses? Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette and welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review of these colored contact lenses from a new company called Hapakristin. So a representative from the company Hapakristin reached out to me a few weeks ago and they wanted me to review their colored contact lenses. They also set me up with a discount code and sent me a lot of lenses in the mail to try for you all. So one by one, I've been opening up each of the contact lenses, wearing them and seeing what I thought about them. Are they comfortable and all of that? Let me show you first which ones I actually really do like, and I'm super happy that I tried them out. They are the Blasé Kristin colored contact lenses. They are a green colored contact lens. And here's how they look in artificial lighting, in room lighting, and in natural daylight or sunlight. Okay, so what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section down below what you think of these colored contact lenses. So now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the company, let you all know my discount code, and let you know what I think about these lenses while showing you up close shots as usual. So a little bit about the company, check them out. I will put the direct link in the description box down below. So just click on the link and it'll take you straight to their website. But a little bit about them. They are, of course, their name is Hapakristin. They also are on social media. They have a Facebook, an Instagram, as well as this website. It says, "Stunned by your eyes. Hapakristin's products are connected to daily emotions. 1 in love, 2 gloomy, or 3 full of curiosity. These more or less common emotions are expressed through our colors and patterns. If you are extremely nervous and excited to meet someone, the best way to convey the feelings will be through your eyes. Who do you want to be today? The messages that the eyes can send out can make you the main character of a tragedy or a comedy. You can be whoever you want to be with Hapakristin's lenses. If you're a shy person and you have a big party to attend tonight, it may be a good idea to wear number 4, confident, provocative lenses. Who knows if an entirely new life is waiting upon you. Conversation through the eyes. Although the portion that our eyes take up in our bodies is small, its presence is definitely not so. Nobody is attracted to a pretty nostril, but most are to pretty eyes. You can speak to someone without saying a word and just by gazing at them. You can exchange emotions through kisses, not with your lips, but with your eyes. And so they have different stories, which I think is super cute. They did send me a variety of their different stories or collections. I will be reviewing them for you. Here is my discount code. I'm going to throw it up on the screen right here. And again, everything is linked in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. Click on the link if you're interested in purchasing these lenses. And of course, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now on to what I think about these lenses while showing you up close shots. So about these lenses, the Blasé Kristin lenses in green, which I think is super cute. The names of their stories are so cute and funny. And on the box, as you can see, it tells you a little bit about it on the box. So I think that's super cute, super different, because usually contact lens companies, you know, they usually have like a standard box and it just says the name of the company and the name of the lenses and your prescription details and all of that. But I like that there's a story that goes along with it, and you can be a different character or a different person each day if you want. Now these lenses are 1 month lenses, and I'm going to throw up the specs for you right here on the screen quickly. And now here's what I think about these lenses. These lenses remind me so much of the Solotica Natural Colors Mel lenses that I did a review on and that I used to wear so much, or I used to wear them not really so much, like from time to time. These lenses remind me exactly like that. The pattern, especially not in the pupil but going towards the outer rim of the lenses, is very, like, you can tell it's very pixelated, I guess is the word I'm looking for. So you can tell on the outer rim pretty much that somebody is wearing contact lenses. If you guys know me by now, you know that I love a very, very natural colored contact lens. These are very, very natural in the middle where the pupil hole is. I think it's a nice size enough that you can actually still see my light brownish eyes peeking through the contacts and blending with them. If you can see, like in natural lighting, you can see that. In room lighting, I think they look the most natural, if you ask me, in my opinion. But of course, they don't look so natural with artificial lighting. Me, even in the natural daylight, you can kind of tell that I'm pretty much wearing colored contact lenses. I don't know, that's what I think. What do you guys think in the comment section down below? Let me know. So I think you can kind of tell that I'm wearing colored contact lenses and that these aren't my natural eyes. These are a very nice light greenish colored contact lenses, has a little pinch of brown mixed in. I do think these are very nice if you have light eyes or if you have dark eyes, because on their website, some of the models have light eyes and some of the models have dark eyes. And the lenses, you can still see them. They're opaque enough so that the color of the lens shines through. But they're not too opaque so that it looks very unnatural, if you all know what I mean. Are you interested in this company? Have you heard about this company before? Let me know in the comment section down below. Their lenses are quite affordable, but they are 1 month lenses, as I stated earlier. So once you open them, you can only wear them for 30 days or 31 days, and then you have to toss them out. But if you get a bunch of different varieties or a bunch of different kinds, then I don't see a problem with switching them up and maybe extending it a little bit longer than 1 month. I do like these lenses. They are very, very comfortable. I don't even feel them. They're not thick. The lens itself is not thick. Again, this is the Blasé Kristin story collection from them. Make sure you check them out in the description box down below. I have everything linked, including more details about the lenses. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about these lenses and what do you think about this company? Of course, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, and of course live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload twice a week on Saturdays and Sundays, or sometimes Saturdays and Mondays. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. I usually put them throughout my video and in the description box, and I will check you all out very, very soon. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye.